What about the footage?
I sent the thermal camera footage to a biologist, and he agreed to get on a video call with us, so...
Sweet.
See what he has to say. Hi, Doc. What's going on?
Did you get a chance to look at the thermal footage we sent you?
I did look at the thermals.
Cool. What'd you think?
Very interesting stuff. It displays very characteristic behaviors of something reminiscent of a coyote.
Doc, correct me if I'm wrong, though. If it was a canine, surely the whole body would be giving off a heat signature. Why did its torso seem considerably cooler than its extremities?
I think there are a couple things going on here. One, I suspect that the camera's working at the maximum range, so you're losing some detail.
Okay.
The other reason, of course, is as a mammal, we have to keep our brains nice and warm. And so the body itself, I'm not surprised, is a little cooler than, say, the eye area, the ears, the face, and even the legs, which are doing all the work right now.
So you would say it's more cryptid than spirit?
I certainly would. It's definitely not a ghost.